Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Pant and I hope you are doing very fine at your home. So there are two quick news bites that I want to give you regarding the NEET 2021 examination. So number one, regarding the syllabus. Uh, Recently, the director of NTA has given one interview and in the interview he has explained about the syllabus and the expected, we can say, date of the NEET examination. So number one, there were many speculations that the syllabus might reduce because CBSE has reduced the syllabus. So the NTA director has made it very clear that the syllabus of the NEET examination of 2021 as well as JEE examination of 2021 is not reduced. The syllabus is exactly the same like before, but he has emphasized that the syllabus is different than the board examinations. So the whole NCERT is not your syllabus. I would suggest you to once download the syllabus from the MCI website. It is still available. That same syllabus is there since 2011. There is no change in that syllabus since that time. So you can download that syllabus and specifically you can follow that. So firstly, syllabus is not reduced. Very, very, very important for us. Number one. Number two, regarding the date of the NEET examination, many people were floating unnecessary fake news that has become very common on YouTube nowadays. That May 2nd is the NEET examination, etc., etc. That's obviously not true. What people thought at that time was that on the first Sunday of May is the expected date of the NEET examination from quite some time in the normal circumstances. This situation is not normal, so obviously the NEET exam will happen a little later than in May. Exactly the dates are not yet decided, as the director has said. So it will take some time for them to decide. So maybe by the end of this month, or by the end of the December month, or maybe somewhere in the middle of the December month, you will be getting the idea about the NEET dates also. But that is the secondary thing. Right now, don't skip any topic from your NEET syllabus. And one more thing I want to add it here again. Your NEET syllabus and your NCERT is a little different. NCERT is more broader as compared to the NEET syllabus. Your NEET syllabus is smaller than the NCERT. So don't be afraid that your syllabus might not get completed. Read very specifically. Don't deviate at all. I have made a mega micro planning already. Now you can follow that mega micro planning because a soft signal we have got that the syllabus is not reduced. So still we should wait for the prospectus and the final syllabus to come for the NEET 2021. But if the director himself is saying, we can assume his words are the final kind of decision only. So mega micro planning is there, follow that. Secondly, download the syllabus from the MCI website and make sure that you follow whatever you read specifically, especially for the repeater batch student, because the time you are getting from now onwards is around 6 to 7 months, maximum to maximum 8 months, which is very short span for the preparation of such a we should say more broadly syllabus based examination, broad syllabus based examination. So it's better that you properly specifically focus upon those points which are in the syllabus of NEET exam, and skip even those things which are not in the NCERT, which are there in the NCERT but not in the syllabus of the NEET examination. Plus, anything outside NCERT will be a complete waste of time for the repeater batch. That is all from my side. We'll continue with the lectures as the time will move ahead, because now the whole syllabus is coming, so each and every topic has to be covered in the videos. Thank you so much. All the very best.